Dark-spotted anaconda. Anacondas are semi-aquatic creatures and are known for their grace while swimming. In fact, the name Eunuchs is Greek for good swimmer. This snake is endemic to South America and has a gestation period of around 9 months, averaging at around 10 young per litter. The dark-spotted anaconda is one of 4 distinct varieties of anaconda that can be found in different locations. Boa constrictor. Boa constrictors are non-venomous and are best known for their unique hunting method of grasping their prey and then squeezing it until it suffocates. These snakes also sport distinct, saddle-shaped markings on their backs which tend to get darker and more pronounced towards the tail. The details of the patterns and the general colorations of the snakes can vary greatly. Cuban boa. As its name would suggest, this snake is found in Cuba, as well as surrounding islands such as the Colorados archipelago and the Sabana Camagüey archipelago. Sadly, many people distrust this large snake and kill it on sight, placing its conservation status at near threatened despite its resilience and ability to live in areas inhabited by humans. These snakes are believed to have been some of Cuba's top predators before the arrival of humans. Burmese python. This snake species is native to Southeast Asia, but is frequently introduced invasively to other areas when pet owners get more than they bargained for and release them. Burmese pythons are often grabbed up as pets because of their beautiful markings, but they've been known to attack handlers and grow beyond what they can handle. These fascinating snakes spend much of their youth in trees, but then move to the ground as they get older and heavier. Indian python. The Indian python has noticeably lighter coloration than the Burmese python and a rather timid nature. Indian pythons are also relatively slow-moving and, while they can live in a wide range of habitats, they always need a permanent source of water nearby. Amethystine. Alongside its impressive length, the amethystine python is known primarily for its stunning colors. This python is slimmer than many of its bulkier relatives, meaning that its diet is restricted to smaller animals such as fruit bats, monitor lizards, and opossums. As is the case with many large species of snake, the amethystine python spends more time in the trees when it's younger, eventually spending more time on the ground and in the water as it gets larger. Reticulated python. The reticulated python is the longest snake in the world. It is native to Southeast and South Asia and is named after the gorgeous patterns that are displayed on its scales. Reticulated pythons used to have a reputation for being ornery and somewhat aggressive, but have since become better understood as pets. Yellow anaconda. The yellow anaconda is an extremely close relative of the green anaconda and sports a striking yellow-green color with black oval patches on its scales. The black and yellow pattern on each snake is unique to the individual and helps them to blend in with the vegetation. Yellow anacondas are great swimmers and spend most of their time in or near water and are often called water boars as a result.